guys, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this video, I am going to show you a very useful product I found in Amazon. This product is good for all of us, for all ladies and gentlemen who preferred waxing than shaving or plucking their hairs in any parts of their body. Let me show you guys what I found in Amazon. This is the complete waxing kit with a digital wax warmer. So this box includes all of the things that we need in waxing. So this is so practical because we already have all of them in one box. So let's see what's inside of this box. So for this box, we have 5 hard wax beans with different scents. We also have 1 bottle of pre and 1 bottle for after wax spray, 20 spatulas, big and small, 1 digital warmer with aluminum top. We have the warranty cards, the user's manuals, and a thank you card. And 5 protective paper rings. Pour Tress Wellness wax beans into the pot and turn the temperature to maximum. For faster result, put the lid on. For effective waxing, the hair should be about 6 mm long. When the wax is half melted, take the lid off and set your desired temperature. When the wax have the consistency of thick honey, you're ready to wax. Clean the area to be waxed with Tress Wellness Pre-Wax Spray and wait until dry. Tress Wellness Pre-Wax Spray will help your skin to be in perfect condition for waxing. Place a protective coloring on the rim of the wax warmer. Use a spatula to scoop and apply a small amount of wax on the skin to test the temperature. Apply the wax with pressure in the direction of hair growth. Wait until the wax is not sticky. Stretch the skin and peel off the wax quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. After waxing, use the Tress Wellness After Wax Spray to smooth and moisturize the skin. Tress Wellness After Wax Spray can also be used to clean up residual wax on the skin and wax warmer. So don't worry about the excess or the leftovers, you can still use it again for the next waxing session. So if you find this video informative and useful for you, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!